increase your profits in in AdSense. As you know, it's AdSense, Google AdSense. Affiliate marketing has become a famous thing on the internet, and as you know, Google AdSense is very effective, which can be added to your site. But do you think you'll be getting a lot of profits from the Google AdSense? I don't think so, because your site, what you are gonna create, will not bring millions and millions of users. As you know, users are very much needed for affiliate marketing. Without customers or users in your site, you cannot do anything. So I'm gonna show you a website or a social network which will be allowing you to allow HTML codes. And as you know, Google AdSense will be added, or they are normally embedded. So you can add the embedded code to this social network. So instead of adding it to a small website, you'll be adding to a large number. So and you can ask friends to click on it. It's not your own website, but it's the website of Social Pals. And as you know, I'm going to take you to Social Pals now. Social Pals. This is Social Pals. Now to do this, you need to have a login under. You should have a login to Social Pals. Once you've logged in, you have my profile. Now here you have your profile. Now once you go into the profile, you click on customize page. You click on customize page, and there you go. You'll be having this thing called custom txt or HTML. You can drag it to here, any place you want to. You can drag it, and you can delete this and click ads, and here will be the space in which you are gonna add your Google AdSense. Now for that, I'm gonna just type something here. Yes, I'm gonna just type anything I want to. Alright, now once I've typed, I'll click save and finish customizing. Now once it's loaded, it will be here. Once you've added your Google AdSense, it'll be somewhere here only. So what you have to do is go for all friends and message your message and tell to visit your profile and click on the link. When you are being clicked, you will be getting profits. And thank you guys. This is Mario Vircone, and please subscribe, like.
Hello there. We're not going to discuss, we just did it text only. We're not going to discuss the image only. The main reason I didn't go on is submit and get code. You can hit the back button and change your mind about things. You keep hitting back and then hit back one more time. And now I can decide to go image ads only instead. I was doing text ads only. I'll do image ads. So if you hit continue, the first thing you'll notice is that the sizes that they allow you are different, and there's fewer sizes available. And I made a little comparison chart over here in Evernote so I can share this with you and make it clear. You see the text only sizes have the same number of recommended sizes, your normal sizes, but when you get into the other sizes, they give you one smaller horizontal for text only, one smaller vertical, and a couple extra squares for the text only than they give you for image only. Now one thing that kind of puzzles me about this, since there's fewer image only sizes, this would to me say that these are the only sizes that they make available to publishers who are making the image ads. And yet If I go back down here and hit the back button and select instead text and image ads and hit continue, the odd thing is that, look, they give you the same options as they give you with a text-only ad, which is like implying that there are image ads available for this size and these two sizes, even though it's, according to this chart, they don't even make those sizes available to the authors of the ads for the image ads. Well, I haven't found out what the answer is to that one yet. I have no idea, but that's probably buried in the docs somewhere. But in the meantime, let's just go back to the image-only ads, and the only difference here is that let's pick the 120 by 600 for the skyscraper again for a sidebar. And you got, I may as well go through some of these sizes. You got your default palette, which looks like that. Open Air is basically the default palette with no border. Seaside adds a border and has some blues in it. Shadow has a dark border and a light gray. Your blue mix is a dark blue and a lighter dark blue. Ink is a black with white text. Graphite is a gray with a very mild border. Now, you can change any of these, like say you did FFF here. Look, it turns into a blue. Let's say I did the reverse, FFFCCC. By golly, it turns to a yellow. Well, there's no way you're going to guess your colors with the hexadecimal system. To explain hexadecimal, they're using the digits 0 through 9 plus A, B, C, D, E, and F in order to count up to 16, to have basically, instead of a base 10 system, it's a base 16 system. So you can have numbers like 1F, okay? F would be the number 16. You get what I'm saying? Well, actually, F is number 15, yes. And because you count up to 15, then 1 and 0 would be 16, because you'd have one full series. All right, so there are tools that allow you to even use an eyedropper on an existing color, and it will tell you what the hexadecimal value is of it, and you can then derive that from, say, from a design element that's on your page already, and you could then use that number in for the background. For instance, say I have a sidebar and it already has a color in the sidebar, and I want to match that. Of course, I could do that with the open air, I suppose. I think that that's just clear. No, it's definitely a color, a background, FFF. That means that the background is white. So if I wanted to match that background with my existing background, I could find out what that was and match it. Okay, like say it was that that yellow color. I could make it so that this matches it, and again with no border. Well, in this case, a white border. So I would want the border to match again also. So you'd want to change both the border and the background in order to make it match your sidebar's color. Okay, and then you would, and that's true for text or image-only ads. Select your fonts. You've got your banner. Rounded corners I've got here. Let's say I would go with square corners instead. You see it's just sharp squares. Show the public service ads or non-Google ads, or fill the space with a solid color again. Then you hit continue. Select a channel or create a new channel to describe this. Hit continue. That's if you want to use channels, but I advise that you do try to use channels. And then